Summer gives fresh fruit a chance to shine. And while it's easy to toss together whatever is in the fridge and call it good, today we promise to do better. You want your fruit to feel special and make sure it's extra fresh, juicy, and sweet. So we are calling on a Studio 5 chef to share his secrets to a chef's kiss-worthy fruit salad. Chef Todd Leonard is our favorite teacher. What's more summer than a fruit salad?
That's true.
Right? And you were just giving your campaign, like, now is the time to eat good fruit.
Now is the time to eat good fruit. It's summer. You can get lots of local fruit.
Yeah.
And what's better than a Brigham City peach?
Thank you, sir.
What's better than a Green River melon?
Amen.
And what's better than an apple or a hanging fruit from where?
Vote for Todd. Vote for Todd.
So
that's all we're
good.
saying. Okay, you've got 3 steps for us today, 3 categories.
Yep.
First, if you just have fruit, you say there are things you can do
to enhance them.
to enhance it. Yes.
Okay, so first thing, you're going to take honeydew.
Okay.
And we're going to take just a little drizzle of honey.
Honey on the honeydew.
On the honeydew.
Okay.
See that? So when you serve it up, put just a little bit of drizzle on there.
Is this
you're
salt?
Take a little pink Himalayan salt.
See, now it's getting fancy in the simplest of ways.
Just a little bit, just a tiny bit.
Yum.
Okay, so that's one.
Okay.
Now you're going to take agave, cactus nectar, and put it on your pineapple.
Oh, really?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Sprinkle the top with just a little bit of coconut.
Stop.
Now you got that simple.
We talked about the chef's kiss. There's the chef's sprinkle.
This is the secret sauce.
What's the sauce?
This is going on your melon. Guess what it is?
What is it?
Sweetened condensed milk.
No, sir.
Yeah.
For
it's
real?
The snow cap on your
snow cone. We're snow capping the melon.
We're snow capping the melon.
With salt too?
Yeah.
What is that?
This one is actually Merlot salt.
What does that mean?
So it's infused with Merlot wine, like infused.
Ooh, yes,
yeah, very nice. Very
okay,
nice.
fancy.
So very simple, easy, enhance.
Yes.
So don't just throw fruit out, enhance it.
Snow cap your melon, people.
Snow cap your melon.
I love that
you
so
betcha.
much.
So now combine fruit. So when you want to do a combined, you're going to make
like a mixed bowl.
Yeah, mixed bowl. Combined or bound salads. I'm going to take honey. I'm going to take lime juice.
Okay.
I'm going to take some fresh chopped mint. Very simple little syrup.
Oh, baby.
Okay, and you're just going to stir that up.
Okay.
And get that honey kind of dissolved into that lime.
Oh, it's like a drizzle.
Yeah, and then once that's in, you're just going to add your fruit right into your vinaigrette.
Okay.
And you literally have your fruit salad.
Look at that.
So that's a very simple.
And it doesn't take away from the natural flavors, it just enhances.
Enhances.
Yes.
Enhances, okay?
May I?
Yeah, you bet.
Finger licking, okay.
One more. So you can use yogurt or
so
sour
good.
cream.
That's so good.
Tasty, right? Just boom. Very light. You don't want to, it's like your steak. Just put salt and pepper or pit seasoning on your steak.
Yeah.
Fruit, just enhance it with a little bit of lime or a little bit of natural honey.
Yeah.
Very, very tasty. Okay, now this right here is mangoes and passion fruit, fresh, and I just pureed them.
Okay.
So you're going to mix that with a little bit of yogurt.
Just regular yogurt?
Yep. I'm going to add a little bit of this jam. This is apricot, and this is tangerine jelly.
Okay.
Like marmalade.
Yeah.
I'm going to just mix those up inside there. Very simple.
Okay.
A lot of us will have a jam or jelly in the fridge.
Sure.
A lot of us have yogurt, in the fridge. These are very simple things. Okay, so then there's your base dressing. This could be a dip.
Okay.
Or it could be an actual sauce.
A dress, yeah.
Yeah, so again, add your fruit salad.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Right in there.
This is fantastic.
Fruit is so nice right now. Guys, capitalize. From the end of June all the way through September, even almost through October, fruit is going to be at its peak.
Yeah.
And so the problem is like, okay, we enjoy it and then we kind of get sick of it. But how do you enjoy fruit in the winter? You know what I mean? So that's the next thing.
Keep talking.
If you
I'm
have
just
peach trees,
fish myself out of fork. Yes.
Yeah. If you have peach trees or pear trees, bottle that peak deliciousness. I mean, there's nothing better than a peach that has been pulled off the tree a day later. It's perfectly ripe on the counter. You peel it and you eat it, and it like gushes out of your mouth.
Best.
It is the best
feeling
thing in the world.
Don't let summer end without that happening.
Yes, please. Bottle your peaches. Another thing that's kind of cool is your berries or other things that are in the peak. Put them on a sheet pan, a big one, a small one. Freeze them in the freezer for 6 hours. Pull them out.
Okay.
They're frozen. Pick them off. They're called IQF now. So they're individually quick frozen berries.
Oh.
And then you put them right in your own bag.
Why am I not doing this?
In the freezer.
Fantastic.
So you're going to get your best strawberries in spring between May, June, and July.
And then
all your strawberries will
freeze
be
them. How long can they last?
They'll last 6 months.
Okay,
They'll last
great.
all the way through the winter.
Okay, great.
So freeze those berries, preserve those berries. So again, enhance, combine,
delicious,
and preserve
Got
your
it.
fruit.
Got it.
Perfect.
Todd, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
you betcha.
You'll never look, taste, celebrate fruit the same way again. Seriously, those are amazing. The mint.
Oh, baby.
So good. Chef's kiss for sure. Where can we get more from you? Fall semester, I'm sure, is enrolling.
Fall semester starting. If you have a dream to be a culinarian, to be the greatest chef on earth, come
And who
to
doesn't?
UVU Culinary Arts.
Yeah.
uvu.edu/culinary. Come and find us, register. It's awesome. We have specialty classes. We have the full 2-year program, but it's just a lot of fun.
If I told you I'm going to do that when I retire?
Yes, the answer is yes.
I'm gonna.
The answer is yes.
I'm gonna. If I can make fruit salad like this, I'm gonna. Thank you so much, Todd.
You're welcome.
We'll link you over to UVU's culinary program from our website if you want more information for yourself or a budding chef that you know.